Good morning, children. So till now I have finished all the lessons related to 7th standard science portions. I hope and believe that you will understand those concepts and you will learn good. You will try to get good mark in the examination. Yes, you have to get good mark. Okay, children. Today I am going to explain about the question paper pattern, because like last year, this year we have changed in the pattern little bit. So let me explain about the question paper pattern. Then it is easy to write the answer in the examination time. Okay, better you take screenshot, otherwise write down. Okay, children, better you take screenshot, otherwise write down. So the first one is a section A, 1 mark question. Section A, 1 mark questions will be there. Maybe what do you mean by electromagnet? What is the for example, magnetic effect of electric current, electromagnet. Like the simple questions will be there. Now, sources of the water. So like that, 1 mark questions will be there. 1 mark questions. How many questions will be there? 12 questions. 1 mark, 12 questions. Question type. So you have to write the answer for 1 mark. Maybe 1 line sentence. Give reason is also there. Give reason. So that give reason, no, they will give 1 sentence. Why it is happening? For that you have to give the reason. So that is also maybe in 1 sentence only. Okay. How many give reasons questions will be there? 5 give reasons questions will be there. That is also 1 mark. Next, MCQs. MCQs. So MCQs means they are giving 1 question. Under that 4 options will be there. In that 4 options, you have to choose any one correct option. MCQ means multiple choice questions. So they are going to give 1 question and in that 4 options will be there. So you have to select the correct option in that. That is MCQ. So those MCQ questions, how many? 6 questions will be there. Now you add all this one, 12 plus 5 plus 6. Total will be 23. So total this 23 questions are related to section A part. This 23 questions are related to section A part. Now, in that another one type will be there, that is paragraph questions. Paragraph questions means that they are giving 1 paragraph, children. In that 5 questions they are giving, you have to attend only 4 questions. For that MCQ, multiple choice will be there. Are you following? 1 paragraph question will be there. Okay. Paragraph they are going to give. In that paragraph, sub questions will be there. How many questions they are giving? 5 sub questions they are giving. In that you have to attend only 4. Choice will be there. For any 4 you can select it. For that multiple choice will be there. You have to select only the correct option. Paragraph questions are very easy questions only. You have to select only the correct option among the questions. Understood, children? So that type of paragraph questions, 3 paragraph questions question will be there. First paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. 1 may be from physics, 1 may be from biology portion, like that. Okay, related to kidney, or related to heart, or related to electricity lesson, like that. Any chapter they can select it. Okay, understood? Any chapter they can select it. So how many paragraph questions will be there? 3 paragraph questions will be there. In that 3, each paragraph is having 4 questions. So 4 3s are 12 questions. Okay, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 questions. So now you add this 23 plus 12. Here I have written. So all together, so this is section A part. 1 mark question, give reason, MCQ, then paragraph questions. So together it will come under which group? Section A. Next, section B. Section B, 2 marks question, children. 2 marks questions. Maybe the short answers questions and it will be there, no? So from that I have selected the 2 marks questions. So don't neglect the short answer questions. All the short answer questions you read. Okay. So that is 2 mark questions. How many questions I am going to give? 6 questions. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 mark questions are from section B. 2 marks. Next, section C, 3 marks questions. Section C, how many mark? 3 marks questions. And how many questions they are asking? 6 questions. So 3 6 are 18. Okay. In the section C also I have selected the questions from the short answer questions only. All the chapters, which are all the chapters I have given in the WhatsApp group, the portions what I have given. So in that short answer questions you did. So short answer questions has selected as a 2 marks question and a 3 marks question. Don't worry about 5 marks question, I will tell you, okay. So 3, 6 are 18. The last one, section D, 5 marks question. Section D is related to 5 marks question. So how many 5 marks questions will be there? Only 3 questions. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. This 5 marks questions, you no need to worry about the long answer type. Okay, just you learn. Okay, to improve your knowledge, you have to learn. But here mainly the diagram based questions I have given. Okay, because most of the classes we have taken in the online and you are also in hurry to complete the notes. So I told you no need to worry about to complete the notes. You better you take the Xerox and keep it print out. We will understand your difficulty also. Keep it that Xerox notes itself and try to read. Diagrams, no excuse. You have to practice all the diagrams on that day what I have marked in the online class. Yes or no children? You have already practiced now. Which are all the diagrams? Heart diagram, respiratory system, electric doorbell, parts of the flower, xylem and the phloem, the stomata. So almost all the diagrams, whichever it is important, you have already marked in the textbook. Yes or no? So those diagrams you practice for the 5 marks questions. Okay? The long answers questions what I have given in the notebook you read. But mainly the questions will be asked related to diagram based questions. Understood? I hope you will score good mark. You will score good mark now. Now when we are adding all these things together, you will get 80 marks. See, 23, this 12 and section B 12 mark, section C 18 mark, section D 15 mark. All together, so you will get 80 mark question paper. I hope you have understood and no doubt in the science part. Almost multiple choice questions will be there. But don't think that multiple choice is also very easy. No, you have to read the textbook. Make a habit of reading the textbook instead of reading the question answer. Question answer also you have to read it. But in another way, the simultaneously you have to go through the textbook also. If you are reading the textbook, no, then the whole chapter, the whole concept you are understanding in a better way. Okay, children? So, detailedly I have explained today the question paper pattern. Then what are all the hints I have given, how to practice for the examination and how you practice it. In the next another one video, let us revise. So, it's your duty now. You have to read it. The next day, the next video, I will ask some of the questions related to all the chapters. Okay, then you have to write down the answer for those questions. Okay, thank you.